ask you something and I want you to really think about this before you answer. How many of you have someone in your life? A parent, a teacher, a mentor. Someone who never gave up, no matter how hard things got. Hello everyone, this is Mirna from 6 Alpha. I want to talk about today. Not a celebrity, not a politician, not someone you will find on a magazine cover. A man from ordinary beginnings to extraordinary life, not by luck, but by character. There was once a successful man. He owned large houses, expensive cars, and run thriving businesses. People admired him. People aspired to be like him. One day, a young boy walked up to him, nervous, hand fidgeting, said something that most adults are proud to ask. So, what is the secret of your success? The man did not give a motivational speech. The man did not hand him a book. The man did not quote a philosopher. He simply smiled and said, when I was young, I worked hard while others wasted time. I kept learning while others stopped growing. I saved and planned while others spent and drifted. That was it. 3 sentences. No drama, no magic formula. But those 3 sentences are the blueprint of every great person who has ever walked this earth. Now, the boy was not finished. He had a second question. And this one cut deeper. Think about it. Think about this. If you had everything you worked for, everything you sacrificed for, would it make you happy? The man thought and said something that in that room no one expected. True success is not measured by what you own. It is measured by how you treat people and by character you carry when no one is watching. You see, we live in a world that teaches us chase results, chase grades, chase titles, chase approval. But this quiet, disciplined man, understood something rare. True success is built in the moments when no one is watching, in the early mornings, in the difficult decisions, in the kindness you show when you could have walked easily away. Now, I have to stop here because what I just told you is not a story from a book. It is not a parable I found online. It is not a fiction. This is the story of Zubair Ahmed, my father, a man who was not handed anything, a man who did not grow up with connections or advantages, a man who faced every obstacle that life placed in front of him. And he faced it standing up. He worked when it was hard. He learned when it was inconvenient. He never, not once, allowed his circumstances to define his character. Dear listeners, can you ask yourself how many times have you given up on something because it was hard? How many times have you stopped learning because you thought you you already knew enough? My father never asked those questions for him quitting was never an option that appeared on the list. My father he never sat me down and said, daughter, here is the formula for a successful life. He showed me every single day through every sacrifice I watched him make. Through every time he chose discipline over comfort. Through every person he helped quietly without expecting in return. We talk a lot about success in this world. We see it in highlight reels, we see it in award ceremonies, we see it in numbers and titles and followers. But I want to tell you how real success looks like because I saw it up so close. Real success looks like waking up before sunrise. Real success looks like continuing to learn. Real success looks like discipline. And real success looks like kindness. The boy in that story eventually grew up and understood something that changed his life. Success is not about becoming important, it is about becoming someone worth becoming. That is what my father lived. That is what he breathed. That is what he inheritance he left. Not in property or possessions, but in principle. There is a man, there is a man in this world, perhaps in your life too, who who has never made headlines, who had never made headlines, who had never trended online, who never stood on stage like this. But the peoples around him grew up because of him. The people the people who watched him learned because of him. The people who struggled found courage because of how he struggled his own struggle. That man for me is Zubair Ahmed. And if you have someone in your life too, so ho- honor them, honor them not when they are gone, now, today, with how you live. Hard work, discipline, learning, kindness. These are not steps to success. These are the character of a person who had already becoming successful on inside. Thank you.